Good evening and welcome to the grand finale of season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Mona Prep from St. Andrew up against St. Richard's Primary, also from St. Andrew. And guess what? The action begins right now. Let's meet the teams for tonight's final.
Since 2003, only the very best have reached the summit of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Now, in season 22, another school seeks to write their names in junior quiz history. Six-time champions Mona Prep seeks a place in the seventh heaven. Standing in their way is 2014 winners St. Richard's Primary, marching into a second straight final. Let's meet the amazing team from Mona Prep. Captain Gianna Christmas, 11 years old. Her area of study is mathematics, and when she's not solving equations, she's busy making animations, singing, and studying the fascinating worlds of insects. Kayla Milton, her specialty is science. She is 9 years old and a passionate creative who enjoys being artsy, diving into botany and dancing. Kalei Joy Cornwall, the English language specialist. At just 9 years old, her hobbies are as varied as her vocabulary, making crafts, dancing, singing, and running. Alexander Milton, the go-to for social studies. He is 10 years old and his most cherished hobby is the pursuit of knowledge through reading. And now for the fascinating four from St. Richard's Primary. Captain Jomar Danvers, his specialty is science. At 11 years old, he enjoys reading and writing fan fiction, drawing, playing video games, and keeping up with the latest anime. Gabrielle Brown, she is the mathematics specialist. Also 11 years old, her hobbies include cooking, drawing, and performing incredible feats in gymnastics. Benjamin Ramukan, his subject is language arts. He is 11 years old and he enjoys reading, playing video games, actively writing his own book, drawing, and playing football. Adonijah Simpson, his focus is social studies. He is 11 years old and he enjoys playing Roblox, football, and watching anime. A mouth-watering spectacle awaits. The final of the 2025 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz begins right now.
Now, earlier we had the toss and St. Richard's Primary won and decided to send Mona Prep first. So we will begin with Mona Prep. This section lasts for 4 minutes. So at that time of the clock, teams will answer questions alternately in this section and receive 1 point for each correct answer. And of course, we begin with Mona Prep Bible knowledge. Joseph interpreted the dreams of which two men while he was imprisoned in Egypt?
A baker and a butler.
A baker and a butler.
That's correct. Bible knowledge, St. Richard's. Which two men were shortlisted to replace Judas after he betrayed Jesus?
Justus and Matthias. Justus and Matthias.
That's correct. Science, Mona Prep. What is another name for vitamin B9?
Folate. Folate.
Or folic acid. That's correct. Science, St. Richard's. What is another name for vitamin C?
Ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid.
That's right. Regional affairs is a visual question for you, Mona Prep. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Godwin Friday.
Godwin Friday.
New Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. That's correct. Regional affairs, St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Terence Drew. Terence Drew.
Prime Minister of St. Kitts and Nevis. That's correct. Mona Prep. English language. Does the word ubiquitous mean nowhere, everywhere, or elsewhere?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
That's right. English language, St. Richards. Does the word renegade mean traitor, servant, or loyalist?
Traitor.
That's correct. Mona Prep Television, a visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify the Jamaican actress.
Dahlia Harris.
Dahlia Harris.
Incorrect. It's Audrey Reed. Television, a visual question for you, St. Richards. Look at the monitor and identify the Jamaican actor.
Owen Blacker Ellis. Owen Blacker Ellis.
Incorrect. It's Carl Bradshaw. General knowledge, Mona Prep. Which Caribbean country was invaded by the USA in 1983?
Grenada.
Grenada.
That's correct. General knowledge, St. Richards. Who was the Prime Minister of Grenada just before the US invasion of that country in 1983?
Maurice Bishop.
That's correct. Mona, Social Studies. Who was the first and only Prime Minister of the former West Indies Federation?
Eric Williams.
Eric Williams.
Incorrect, Sir Grantley Adams. St. Richard's Social Studies. Which country's departure from the West Indies Federation led to its collapse in 1961?
Jamaica. Jamaica.
That's correct. Music, a visual question, Mona. Look at the monitor and give the stage name of this Jamaican artist.
Busy Signal.
Busy Signal.
Correct. Music, a visual question, St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and give the stage name of this Jamaican artist.
Romain Virgo.
Incorrect. It's Conscience. Mona, mathematics. Giving your answer as a mixed number in its lowest terms, what is the sum of 3 and 7 over 8 and 2 over 3?
Six and 13 over 24.
The bell came. All right, go ahead. What's the answer? Repeat
6
your
and
answer.
13 over 24.
That is in fact correct. I'm told it came just before the bell. St. Richard's Mathematics, giving your answer as a mixed number in its lowest terms. What is the sum of 4 and 3 over 5 and 7 and 3 over 4?
And 7 over 20.
That's right. Sports. Mona, what is the first event in the Olympic decathlon event for men?
110 meter hurdles.
Incorrect. It's the 100 meters. Sports. St. Richard's, what is the last event in the Olympic decathlon event for men?
For men,
Cycling.
Incorrect. It's the 1500 meters. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are St. Richard's Primary on 7 and Mona Prep also on 7, so it's a tie. Now, when we come back, it will be time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. But before we go, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Remember your manners. Say please, thank you, and excuse me. All these show your respect and consideration for others and demonstrate your appreciation and gratitude. A very valuable tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. The grand final of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2025 returns right after these messages.